We're gonna start this project with large brush and light blue paint. We'll paint a long horizontal line in the middle of our artwork. Next, you can paint everything above this line. You can wipe your brush with paper towel. You can dip your brush in light green to outline white part of the artwork. Next, you can paint in everything below this line. Now you can wash and wipe your brush. Next, you can dip tip of your large brush in dark green paint. We'll apply paint to the artwork by lightly dabbing and tapping our brush. This way we'll create bushes or forest in the background. You can leave some space between bushes for windmill. Now we can switch to a medium-sized brush and brown paint to outline couple ovals in the foreground. After completing an outline, you can paint first oval in. We'll paint a smaller oval next to the first one. You can outline and paint in third oval. Next, we'll paint one more oval on the left side. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in beige color and create outline for windmill. It will be slightly thicker on the bottom and thinner on top. After wiping your brush, you can add second layer of brown paint. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in beige paint to add a second layer on top of windmill. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in red paint to create a triangle roof. After creating an outline, you can paint the shape in. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in yellow to paint petals around each oval. Some flowers might overlap, so we'll skip few petals. You can go back and add second layer to each petal if the paint is dry and looks transparent. Next, you can grab your small brush and dip it in black paint. We'll paint sunflower seeds by adding small black dots on top of brown ovals. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in brown paint to create a door. We'll paint an arch on the bottom part of the windmill, then we'll paint it in. We'll switch to a medium-sized brush and brown paint to create rotating part of the windmill. We'll paint two thick lines crossing one another in the middle of red roof. You can add second layer of brown for the door. Next, you can wash and wipe your small brush. We'll dip it in white paint to highlight right side of the windmill. Next, you can highlight windmill sails. Next, we'll add a thin white brushstroke on each petal to highlight it. We'll use yellow to create a sun by painting a circle and adding sun rays. You can use medium-sized brush and white paint to add clouds in the sky. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.